front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by accessing clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now before creating a new one, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Select settings and manage all of them under alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you finished, go back and tap on this button with a plus at the bottom to add new alarm. First of all, set up an hour. When you're ready, hit OK at the bottom right corner of Select Time pop-up. Then adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top, name your alarm and hit OK. Then tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. And to exclude some of them, click on this plus next to pause alarm and pick a date that you wish to exclude. To save it, hit OK. To remove your date, use remove button next to it. Then tap on little bell icon. Decide if you wish to download Spotify or YouTube Music, or click dismiss in the pop-up. By tapping on YouTube Music or Spotify at the top, you can log into your accounts and use music from those apps. You can also select sounds and tap on Add New to apply any song from your device. If you don't want to do that as well, just click on one of those sounds. Then click on this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback. And also on this one next to Google Assistant routine to add it or remove it from it. To hide all of those settings, click on the top right corner of your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created and adjusted. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on the top right corner and change wherever you want to. To delete your alarm, click on the same top right corner and access all of those settings to tap on delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!